It's time for another open house.
Yep, today we are looking at a Indigo, Indigo 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,919 square foot home, concrete, block and stucco, listed for $423,358. It's an interior lot, so there are homes behind you, but it is on a corner, so the side yard actually looks out to a road. So let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Welcome to the Indigo. This Indigo is 1,919 square feet. I think I said earlier it's a standard floor plan. It basically is, but I'm looking at the brochure that was out that day. Says it was an enlarged residential lanai. So apparently the lanai is stretched a little bit, but that doesn't change the heated and air conditioned square foot space. As you can see, this is on a corner lot, and it is what I call interior, meaning there's another house behind it. You can kind of see how lanais here sometimes are right across from each other. You can do some landscaping, but you cannot put a fence there. You could put up some bushes or type of bushes that would grow tall to build like a hedgerow if you wanted to. As you can see, this is a block and stucco home. Has that unique feature on the front with a pergola for the front porch area. I think that's a pretty neat little feature there. But if you wanted to put a screen on there, that might be hard to do. Some people like to screen in their front porch areas. I don't think that would work well with the pergola. As you can see, this construction area across the street there, we're in Citrus Grove. I'm going to point out, see all those roof workers. That's why they're able to move so fast on doing things here. They put a lot of people to work at the same time, piling on to do a roof. They'll do that roof in one day. That's the only job they do is roofing. That crew, they're experts at it. They do it probably 7 days a week. So it's really good quality. They just move fast because there's a lot of people working on it. A feature on this home that I don't believe is standard is the way the patio there is. Usually there might be a patio on the standard edition, but that with the railing, I think that's just because there's a slight slope there. So they've set it up with a railing. Typically there'd be a small concrete a patio that's down level with the ground. And if you notice up on the roof, the two metal circles there, that is actually a vents for the attic. They do not usually put in attic fans in these installs. It's just an opening where heat can rise out through there and cooler air goes in through the eaves and up to replace that to circulate the air in the attic. Some people replace those with a solar powered fan. That's what we did in our home to kind of move the heat out of the attic. All right, let's get on down to the ground and take a look at this Indigo. All right, again, this is a concrete block and stucco construction. Very unique front on this house. Like a little pergola on the front.
And your golf cart is more accessible to the front door here.
Yeah, golf cart garage is in the center of the home instead of out on the outer edge. The ones that have it in the center, those are standard on these floor plans. The ones that have them out on the outside are usually add-ons. So this is standard. From what we understand, this Indigo we're going through does not have any stretches or anything unusual. This is the standard floor plan. Now, I was going to point out, I had looked at some of these windows on previous videos. This here is actually a concrete edging around the side. So that decorative is concrete.
It's really pretty.
I like how they have the arched windows at the top.
Yeah, with the light.
You know, you're probably hearing some sound. Let me kind of curve around here. We are in Citrus Grove, which is a lot of construction still going on. So you can see an area of villas that are being built across the way. So that's the sound you're hearing, is a generator running, but that eventually will settle down. A large side yard.
Yes, it is.
You actually could probably put, well, I won't say, you might be able to put a pool here, but looks like it could be some electrical.
Not sure.
I think the space is there, but I think there's an electrical
Yeah, there's a box
run
right
there.
there, so it might not be possible on this one.
And again, this is an interior lot. Those are the most cost effective, where the lot price itself is lower.
Oh, look at the outdoor patio area.
Yeah. So you can see the homes behind you are fairly close. But the yards are small, you don't have a lot of grass to cut. Has a nice patio.
Yeah.
That's different. That might not be standard, that may be something they've added on.
I don't think that's standard, but it's very pretty.
And they did that concrete decorative around the windows all the way around, it appears. I'll show you here on the side of the home.
I think they call it banding.
Yeah, banding, that's the term for it. So it looks really nice. I think it's a couple $100 a window to do that. It's usually standard on the front of a house, but the sides aren't necessarily that way. And I'll look at the one right beside us. That's what it's like if it's not banded. It just has the stucco goes right up to the window edge, and that white is the actual vinyl of the window. So that's a non-banded. And Brenda's jumping out of the way. You can be in the video, Brenda. And there's a banded.
I didn't know which way the camera was coming.
Now, I took my wide angle lens off and set this, it's still a GoPro in wide angle mode, so hopefully it will work as well. We were getting some of that fisheye effect on with the wide angle lens, but I want you to be able to see the full width of a room. All right, let's go check the inside. Still covered in tree. Now this is not a 10 model. This is the standard type model. So,
and to your right is the linen closet.
Very nice.
I like the paneling on the doors.
Yeah. Let's go into the bedrooms on this side.
And you've got a pocket, which will keep this area. Then here is a bedroom.
Now, remember when we went in with the Lantana 10, we talked about the 10-foot ceilings. In here, it's 10 foot at the peak. This just gives you the opportunity for some decorative type ceiling. So this cathedral ceiling, very nice. Carpeted floor. There's a ceramic tile that's in the main living areas. Just carpet in the bedrooms. And linen closet. So it's like a little wing over here.
Yeah, because your pocket door blocks you off. And here's your bathroom.
And bathroom. And this is not the master area. This is the second.
So this bedroom has its own bathroom.
Yeah. A walk-in shower. I wouldn't call that a Roman shower, but it is a walk-in shower.
But this would be nice if you had guests. They could close off this pocket door and have their own area.
Yeah. All right, let's go over.
Okay.
Let's go.
Here's the dining and living room.
Bedrooms.
All right, to your right here is the garage.
Garage. I was looking at the floor plan. This is a 22 foot by 22 foot garage. Golf car.
And then your HVAC.
Yeah. Your attic access, of course, is usually in the garage.
Yeah.
And you kind of get a corner view so you can get a feel of it. And you notice the golf cart garage is shortened up a little bit by where the air conditioning unit is. No problem fitting one golf car there, but I don't think you're going to fit two of them back to back.
I don't think you could.
So one golf car and two cars would probably fit in here.
Yeah. Okay, right across from here is a full bath with a bathtub.
I kind of like that dark tile.
I know, I thought I was looking at it too. It's pretty.
There's a high definition laminate countertops.
And I noticed the same handles we have in our house. I noticed
they are.
details. I definitely noticed details. And here's another bedroom. This is
number
your
2.
Yeah.
We're saving the master bedroom for last.
Yeah. No light
This
there.
also has a cathedral type ceiling. So at the edge over here, it's 8 foot tall, and then it slopes up to the 10 foot. Well, it's actually not cathedral, it's just ramped down the side.
Yeah.
And that's pretty typical of your standard floor plans, not the 10 foot models. The 10 foot models again add about $10,000 to $20,000 for that. But I kind of like the uniqueness of those wall or the ceiling edges.
I like the difference.
Yeah.
So this is another like little suite because you've got your bedroom and your bathroom.
All right, let's go to the master.
And it's an open house, so there's a lot of people. Here you go. Here's your master.
Master bedroom. Notice again, by having the standard height ceilings rather than the 10 foot, they can do some unique things. It's a tray ceiling.
I've seen in different houses the way that they will paint different parts of the tray ceiling gives it a lot of character too.
It's
You get a clean slate here because it's white.
carpet. Again, it's carpet in all 3 bedrooms.
Yes.
And you remember you are up against some other homes.
And there's your nice little concrete area. I already know where the closet is. The closet's to your right.
And this is the master bath. You enter, there's a walk-in closet.
With a pocket door.
Yes, I put a few racks in. Some people go all out on their closets and add lots of racks with multiple levels. Because storage, again, is at a premium here in the villages.
And there's your bathroom area.
The water
with
closet.
The water closet with the pocket door.
And double sinks.
I like the little window in the corner. I think that's cute.
Close the drawer for them.
And there's your
And-
tile.
This is a, yep, this is the Roman shower. Where's the handle for it? Oh, that's a different place.
Where
Roman
is
shower. You come around right there.
Oh,
They usually try and put the handle in a place you can turn the water on without getting wet.
Yes.
Sometimes they do it way over on this wall.
Yeah.
And again, it's the ceramic tile, matching tile throughout the house.
Yeah. All right, heading to the kitchen.
Open floor plan, little dining room area. I guess,
Close the door
could you
for
put dining room table there, Brenda?
The dining room would go here.
Yeah, I guess you could. It's an entrance into a bedroom area there, so that
Yeah, I've seen some
it
of
might be a little bit of an obstacle, but it is,
You'd put it over here
Yeah.
underneath the light, and then that becomes a hallway right here.
yeah.
So that's where your table would go, and this would be your living room area. And then your kitchen area.
Nice kitchen.
Look how big this is. You could do a lot of baking and cooking and
That's-
preparation right here.
That's a huge center island.
And the thing, this one with all the,
Yeah, we've seen it in multiple homes now. I think this might be the new thing they're doing. The power strip. Goes along the top, no outlets on the wall, so you don't have to cut the tiles on the backsplash. This is a high definition laminate.
Look at all the drawers you have. The island has lots of drawers.
Yep, and the island has a different color cabinet than that's a new decorating.
And then
I say new, it's been doing a couple years. I'm just slow to adjust.
If you glance over here, come back around here just to show them all the cabinets. The whole bottom of here is cabinets with shelving all the way across.
Yeah, that's nice.
No. And then your pantry is here with the roll-out shelves.
And again, notice it's 10-foot ceilings in the center, and then it slopes down to the 8-foot mark on the edge. That's how the standard floor plans are usually set up.
I like this.
Now, off of the kitchen here is a laundry area.
Yeah, but look at all the cabinets.
There's a lot of cabinets.
Yes, they have a lot. And then your washer dryer is going to go here. And then you've got a nice window to your large side yard there.
Very nice.
And then
Let's see, I think we're
we haven't
going
gone to the lanai.
outside.
We've gotten everything else but that. And then these are the doors, and these are pocket doors, so they're going to go all the way out and across.
Yeah.
And hide it.
Nice lanai.
The fan is on, it feels good.
But most of the lanais, they'll put fans.
I haven't seen any without a fan on.
Yeah.
That must be standard.
Again, this is, what is that road?
I
think that's St. Catherine's Circle.
Yeah.
So it's a fairly well-traveled road. And again, there's still construction going on over there.
See, I
But
like
that'll
seeing
settle down.
cars going by. It reminds me of my childhood, sitting on my grandmother's porch counting cars.
And this is what they mean by kissing lanais. Kissing lanais, a lanai lines up a little bit with the other lanais behind you.
All right,
And then
let's go out here.
a little bit of
the patio area. This is a
nice patio. You put a grill out here.
Yeah. This is a good amount of space.
Yeah.
And the railing makes it feel cozy.
Yeah. All right. Very nice.
Yes. And that was the open house tour of an Indigo.
Yep. I hope these tours are helpful to you. Again, the idea is to let you see the floor plans, get a general idea what things cost here. This home is probably sold by the time this video goes up. So again, the purpose is just to educate you on what is available, the types of homes in the villages. So if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you guys that are out there subscribing, and ring the bell and it'll notify you the next time we explore the villages.